Hello from the ODRA office in Oslo. This short video is about ODRA Neon's specialized AI agents. There are 4: Chat, Do, Make, and ODRA. Let's jump right into it. This AI agentic browser is built to act, and here's how. You can start with any agent, simply by selecting them on the input field on the start page. Number 1, Chat. Neon Chat is your reasoning and conversation agent. It explains, analyzes, drafts or generates, and works with the context of your open page or all pages in the task. Number 2, Do. Neon Do is the agent that acts in the web. Tell it what you want and it navigates the web itself to accomplish the task. It performs multi-step workflows directly inside your tabs. You can also ask it to search and summarize directly in your Google Docs. Number 3, Make. Neon Make is your creation studio. It can generate code, web apps, images, videos, and more, all inside the browser. From rough ideas to working outputs that you can easily share with others. Number 4, ODRA. Neon's deep research agent breaks down your complex topics into multi-thread research. It then compiles everything into a clean, structured report. You can continue working on it in the chat or export it as a PDF ready to share as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions, join our ODRA Neon Discord community and we'll be happy to support you there. Have a good one.